All right, we are finally ready. Let's dive into the Workflow Secrets transactions dashboards. So, if you're ready, pull up those dashboards. Let's dive in together. The Volume Pipeline Dashboard is a dashboard designed to help you understand your overall sales volume and how it's being impacted by listing side, buying side, and through the number of transactions that occur. On the top left-hand side, you'll notice that you have access to a sales volume chart by month, or hovering over it, you can click a down arrow on the right side to see by any given close date to understand how all of those different close dates are affecting your total volume in the pipeline. Moving to the left, you can also move from month all the way to the given year to understand that total volume. What you can do as well is click on that volume, and in the very bottom, you're going to see a list of properties that are affected and what their status, their client, and their agent side, as well as which side of the transaction they fall into, with a listed sales price and volume that was brought through that transaction. One of the other really cool things that you can see is the listing side, the buying side, the number of transactions that occurred, as well as the listing side volume, buying side volume, and total volume overall. You can also, on the very top left-hand side, filter by status to understand how those pending statuses might be affecting your overall volume pipeline, or how those closed statuses are helping your overall volume pipeline. And you can also, on the top right-hand side, use a drop-down menu to sort by any given date range to better understand how those efforts are impacting your volume pipeline over any given date range. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on all of these different dashboards. If you have any dashboard ideas that have come to mind, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and you can either ask questions or give suggestions for dashboards you would like to see. Otherwise, we have some other lessons to cover. Go and scroll on down and get those started, and we'll see you there.